To make a zipper pull, you take your piece of cord and you'll remove the inner strands. You'll fold it in half and you'll place one end over and under the hook like that. And then this end will both wrap around. Then you'll wrap that through the middle. And then you have two ends here, and this is where you place them. The top one goes through the both of them, and the bottom one goes just through the bottom. Then you pull it tight, and then you're ready to use it as a zipper pull. Now just make sure before you start that you have enough that you can pass it over the tip of the fishbone.